Hello YouTube, what's up? Today I want to show you how to measure light noise do-it-yourself. And we're gonna start with buying an AM radio. I have one here. Hope you can see this. It's just a simple AM FM radio. And the only thing you have to do is turn it off station. Now, I have different type of light sources in my house. Here I have a traditional light like we used to have. Then here in my bathroom, it's good to see, I have halogen spots, and also I have here a portable flashlight with LEDs inside. So first of all, I want to show you the light noise that's coming from the traditional light. This is here, and as we hold it toward it, the antenna, we hear a very slight disturbance. Second, I want to take you to my bathroom, and now I want to really ask you to pay good attention, because let's see what's happening here. I have my antenna on. Here, as we move closer toward the light, we really hear that there is a disturbance on the antenna, and this means also there is a disturbance in your brain, since the human body also has a lot of frequencies. But I will also show you why I have the flashlight in my bathroom, the portable one. Look, it's a LED, it's a very bright light. It's not my favorite color because it's so bright, but the good thing is it works on batteries, and batteries means it runs on a low voltage. And now I want to show you the light noise coming from here. And as we see, this light noise is very, very neglectable. So my recommendation is pay close attention to the lights in your house. And if you want to measure a light source, no matter what kind of light it is, maybe even some special therapeutic light, be sure to measure the light noise. Okay, thank you for watching, and send me your comments. Thank you. Bye.